In this video, I'll show you how to install REFramework mods in Resident Evil Requiem. Check my video description for this download link. Right click and select WinRAR and select Open with WinRAR. Right click on the game and select Open File Location. Drag and drop this input 8.dll inside the game and launch the game. Once you are in game, expand this configuration. Select the menu key. Set a key you like to open this REFramework. Once you're done, close tab here. Whenever you want to open the REFramework, press the key. In my case, I set to 1. Once you done this, close tab here. You can able to see REFramework folder will be created after doing this step. Check my video description for this mod link. Choose the mod you like to install, but you need to make sure the mod requires REFramework. Select the manual download option, and as you can see, this mod requires REFramework. Select the download option. Same way, item revival, manual download. As you can see, REFramework required. Once you downloaded the mod that requires REFramework to run, right click on the mod and select WinRAR and select Open with WinRAR. Drag and drop this REFramework folder inside of the game, and then go back. Open the auto item revival. Drag and drop these two files inside the game. Once you done this, launch the game. Once you are in game, expand this script generated UI, and you can able to see mods list. Expand this one by one. Infinite HP and infinite ammo. Check mark this both. Once you're done, just close this REFramework. To show you guys this mod's working, the gun is auto and infinite ammos. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.